What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into Eloi Youssef, whose voice we have definitely heard before, with Kamerata Zuid Orchestra and the Netherlands Chamber Choir. Let's jump in, check it out together, see what we got with Old Rain. You wanted it, I'm here with it. Let's roll. Obviously, go show everybody the love. The links are down below.
We meet again. Did I not belong beside you? Was I grieving within since the day that we parted? A different lens now. Have you not been torn inside too? Did it pour an old rain when they broke a young heart? Leave me the wounds and the scars in your wake. I'm no longer blind for the toll it might take. I'll open my arms and I greet you again. Into the great unknown, this far I've never been.
All right, first of all, he's got one of the most instantly recognizable voices of all time. I really, truly do believe that. Definitely seems like maybe we've been apart from somebody. I don't know who exactly he's singing about. Obviously, it's the first time listen, but we've been apart. Maybe we didn't see eye to eye before. Maybe it's been quite a while. He said now it's a different lens. I'm looking through it through a different lens. Maybe I'm matured and I'm seeing that, hey, you were just as hurt as I was. You had just as many things going on as I was. I'm gonna open my arms and welcome you again. It's a beautiful coming back together song. Like, definitely doesn't seem like maybe a parental figure, maybe mom or dad. Doesn't seem like a romantic situation.
Fading to doubt in me, and all that I've known had all been there long before. And now the life I'd see is waiting around for me. It's calling me home. Long have I roamed, let's try it again.
Calling me home. It's got to be a parental figure. Maybe dad.
And it's been a long road without you. Blaming the best on you, I could not rest until now. And was it then all in vain when you were fighting a war above and beyond me? When you heard like the rest of us, I won't think less of you now. Leave me the wounds and the scars in your wake. I'm no longer blind for the toll it might take. I'll open my arms and I greet you again. Into the great unknown, this far I've never been. And there a light I see, fading to doubt in me. And all that I've known had all been there long before. And now the light I'd see is waiting around for me. It's calling me home. Long have I roamed, let's try it again.
with that voice. Look, it struck a very personal note with me. Me and my parents and I haven't always been on the same sheet of music. Believe it or not, I was a rambunctious little rebellious shit at a young age, and I decided I wanted out of mom and dad's house as fast as possible. So I left right when I turned 18. And I was gone for quite a few years. I got married. I went and lived up in Oregon. I went around with the military. Then I went to Afghanistan for 6 years. We haven't always been on the most like real speaking terms. For a lot of the beginning of that, we spoke every now and then, maybe. But the longer that I was away and the more that I grew and matured, the more the call that I needed to make things right with that was. And now we have fantastic relationships again. Things can be mended. You don't always, once you start seeing things through that different, more mature lens, I'm saying it can happen. Great things can happen. Families can come back together. Get over so Eloi, all the love in the world. The link is inside of the description. Got a frog in my throat. The like button if you liked it. The dislike button, but it won't believe you. Tell the next one of my the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.